Guys, welcome back again to my channel. I enjoy making these type of videos. I got about 3 people asking me how I create my thumbnails, so I just wanted to take this time off to show you guys how I create my thumbnails. Thumbnails are so important. You might have very good content, but if your thumbnails are not good, people will not click your video. I just created a video on why your video is not getting views. So if you see me wearing the same shirt, that is the reason why.
At your feet, baby girl, be mine. Baby girl, be mine.
I do not take like random pictures when I am creating thumbnails. I record a video of different poses, but this thumbnail I'm creating is a thumbnail about why your video is not getting views. So I have to, you know, be a bit dramatic. It's different if I'm actually creating a thumbnail for beauty. You know, if I'm creating a thumbnail for beauty, I'll post like, you know, sexy poses. You know, something fun like that. But if I'm creating a thumbnail for YouTube tips and trick video which says that's why you're not getting views, I can't do those same poses. I have to actually be serious. I'm going to show you an example here. You can either do the video of you posing or you can take random pictures. It's actually up to you. I have 2 videos here. I'll go ahead and choose the one I like and screenshot it. I like this. I'll just screenshot and crop. Done. Save photo. I'll go to Lightroom because I have some presets there and I wouldn't have to do much to the photo. There you are. Then I go to my presets and see which one I prefer. I actually like this. Yeah, maybe I'll go for this. I like this a lot, so maybe I'll just use this one. I'm going to save it to my camera roll. What I'll do next is go to the app Snow because I want to take all the background from there. Auto cut. Choose that picture. Yeah, let's see what it looks like. Yeah, I like it. I'll just save it to my camera roll again. I know it's a lot of work, but this is what I do. I go look for backgrounds. So maybe a pastel background. 1280 by 720. That's the correct measurements for YouTube thumbnail. I'll go to images and there are so many pastel backgrounds here, so maybe I'll use, I don't know, I'm very indecisive when it comes to these things. I'll just go for this pastel. It looks nice, so I'll just save it to my camera roll. I'll go to my app Phonto. I love Phonto so much. I'll go to photo albums, get that background, the pastel background I picked, and then add image. I'm going to add my image right here. So there we have it. Size. I actually like it. I'm already really liking it. Yes. Okay, I'm going to outline the background, so I'll go to another app called Pixomatic. I'll zoom in and then draw. Guys, I don't breathe when I'm doing this, so I can't talk. I'm sorry. I just finished outlining. Oh gosh, I can never breathe when I'm outlining. That's ridiculous. So I like it. I'll just apply that and then I'll save it to my camera roll. Save image. Now I'll go to the app Phonto, photo album, and then we'll go to this picture right there. It's so cute, huh? I want my title to be in my thumbnail, so I'm trying to figure out what to actually put in there.
What do I even want to write? I don't know what I want to write. No views. Watch this. Watch this. If you're struggling with views, that's too long.
Maybe, yeah, no views on YouTube. Watch this. That's actually a good one. That's actually a good one. No views. No, I don't like the font, so I'll change the font. I don't know which font I want to use. Yeah, maybe this works. No views. Watch this. That sounds good. That sounds really good. Oh no, I like that one. No views on YouTube. Watch this. Maybe, yeah, that works. Maybe. Goodness, this is not easy, guys. You see what I have to go through before creating a thumbnail. I'm thinking of putting the YouTube logo in there somewhere. I don't know yet, but it should be in somewhere. So what colors do I even want to use for this? Maybe pink. I use pink for everything, bro. No, nah, you can't use that. Can we use like black? No, black. Okay, black. Let's see. No views on YouTube. Yeah, maybe I can use blue down. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. This is how I'm going to make it. No views question mark on YouTube. Watch this. I'm going to find the YouTube logo PNG and that'll give you like a transparent background of YouTube logo. Found one. Add to photos. So I'll come back to the Phonto app and then add that image here. Okay, I think this works. So I'll just increase the size So yeah, I think this is nice. No views on YouTube. Watch this. Yes, I think I found what I want. But this is colorful enough, so I'll just leave it like this. I like this thumbnail a lot, actually. I'll save it to my gallery. So now I have it here in my gallery. Don't use the typical black, red, white. Even though I kind of used it here, I kind of added another color so that it does not get buried in other videos like these. This is the thumbnail, guys. This is where I'm going to end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section, guys. I'm done. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.